This is video number 5, privacy settings. I know I'm signed in because I can look in the top right corner. I can see my avatar. Okay. If for some reason you don't see this menu, just click on, once you sign in, click on the little icon here and it gives you back your menu. So I've already uploaded a video. I want to go to my channel. In order to set my privacy, I want to go to my channel, video manager, and then I'm going to select the video I would like to edit or make changes to. So I'm going to go here and select edit. And you can do this when you first upload the video, or you can come back and do it later on. So right now the video is set to public. Public means anyone visiting YouTube can see it. They can find it by search results. You can set your video to unlisted. This means the video won't show up in YouTube searches, but anyone with the link can see it. So if I email this link to someone, they can see it, but they can also send it to someone else, and that person can see the video as well. So unlisted means that anyone with the link can see it. Next setting is private. Private means only you can see it. And there are some ways that you can send a private video to someone else with a Gmail account. But, I just keep it that way. I just keep private, only me. Unlisted means anyone that I can share the link with. And public is anyone, anywhere, can see it by searching on YouTube. That's it.